This glacier in Antarctica is bleeding. Welcome to Taylor Glacier. For decades, scientists were baffled by this crimson waterfall known as blood falls. They originally thought it was red algae. But the truth is much stranger. This water has been trapped underground, with no light or oxygen, for 2 million years. It's extremely salty and packed with iron. The moment the water hits the air, the iron instantly rusts, turning the ice blood red. But here is the twist. Despite having no light, the water is alive with bacteria. It's an alien ecosystem right here on Earth. Subscribe for more crazy nature.